If you want to know how to italicize in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 2 easy ways to make text italic in Photopea, including what to do if your font doesn't have a built-in italic option. This is super useful for designing thumbnails, social media graphics, posters, or any project where you want your text to have a more stylish look. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photopea tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your project in Photopea and select the Type tool by pressing T on your keyboard or clicking the Text tool from the toolbar. Then click on the text you want to edit or highlight the specific part of the text that you want to italicize. If you want to change an entire text layer, make sure the text is active and selected before moving on. Now, for the first method, look at the top options bar once your text is selected. Right next to the font name dropdown, you should see a style dropdown. By default, this usually says regular. Click that dropdown and check whether your font has an italic or oblique option. If it does, simply select it and your text will instantly change to italic. This is the fastest and easiest way to italicize text in Photopea, but it only works if the font you picked actually includes an italic version. Some fonts do and some fonts don't. So if you click the style menu and don't see an italic choice, don't worry because there's another way to do it. That brings us to the second method, which is called Faux Italic. This is especially useful for fonts that do not come with a native italic style. To do this, keep your text selected with the Type tool and then open the character panel. You can do that by clicking the TH icon on the right side of the screen or by going up to the top menu and choosing Window, then Character. Once the character panel is open, look along the bottom row of options inside that panel. You should see the T icon, which is the Faux Italic button. Click it and Photopea will simulate an italic effect for that text. It won't be the same as a true italic font, but for many design projects, it looks great and gives you the slanted text style you're after. If you don't see the effect right away, double check that the correct text layer is active and that your cursor is inside the text. Also, make sure you're editing the actual text and not just the layer name. Sometimes, that's the small detail that trips people up. One more helpful tip. If you want your text to look more polished, you can also combine italics with other text adjustments like font weight, size, spacing, and color. That way you can create a much stronger visual hierarchy in your design and make your text stand out even more. So to recap, if your font supports italics, use the style dropdown and choose italic or oblique. And if it doesn't, open the character panel and use Faux Italic instead. Both methods are quick, simple, and beginner-friendly. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photopea tips and tricks. It really helps the channel grow and it lets me know you want more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.